Hey guys, so today I'll be making sesame-crusted chicken wraps with a colorful slaw and spicy mayo. Now for the sesame-crusted chicken, I'm using the chicken fillets, which I've just cut into strips, and we'll season, add some smoked paprika, parsley, basil, and of course our sesame seeds. The chicken I'm going to cook halfway through, remove them from the pan because you've got to cook them in batches, and then lastly I'll add in some garlic and butter and just give it a good swirl for all that yumminess. Once you've added your butter and garlic into the pan, you'll notice that it starts to foam and you'll get a slight nutty aroma. This is when you've got to add in your lemon juice because the lemon juice stops the butter from burning any further. Now that the chicken is all beautiful and golden, we can move on to the colorful slaw and spicy mayo. For the colorful slaw, I'm using red and green cabbage, carrots and tomatoes. Now you can of course use shredded monge too or charred corn if you like. And I'm just going to give it a simple seasoning with some lemon juice, olive oil and salt and pepper. So the spicy mayo is one of my favorite cheats. It's literally store-bought mayonnaise mixed together with sriracha until well combined. To assemble your wraps, arrange all your elements onto a platter. Your sesame-crusted chicken strips, your spicy mayo, colorful slaw, and serve it with charred tortillas. And allow the family to dish up for themselves.